Welcome to OnlineMaths TV. My name remains Jakes Anemor. Today, the challenge says, show that sin theta all over 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta all over 1 minus tan theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta. But before we go into today's challenge, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification button so that you get notified whenever we upload new video, because in this channel we upload new videos every day. So let's have fun. Is sin theta all over 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta all over 1 minus tan theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta. Now, we don't have issue with the right hand side of the equation. Let's deal with the left hand side of the equation while we keep this other side of the equation. Now, from our trig ratio, look at this cot theta. Okay, your cot theta will also be written as cot theta is same thing as cos theta all over sin theta. Meanwhile, your tan theta will also be written as sin theta all over cos theta. Okay? Alright. So from here, let's go ahead and impute this into this place, this into this. So if you substitute that, this expression will automatically become sin theta all over 1 minus cos theta all over sin theta plus our cos theta all over 1 minus sin theta all over cos theta. Very easy. Okay, now at this point, mind you, this one is all over divisible 1, this is all over divisible 1. What if I decide to find the LCM of the denominator? Find the LCM of this denominator here. So this expression will now give me something of this kind. So this will automatically give me something like this: sin theta, which is this, all over this will times this will give me sin theta minus cos theta all over the LCM sin theta plus, I do same thing to the denominator here. The LCM is going to be cos theta. So the top we have cos theta all over cos theta as the LCM. Okay, then 1 into cos theta will give us cos theta times 1 will give us cos theta minus cos theta into cos theta is 1. 1 times sin theta will give us sin theta. Okay, now let's look at this. This is a major division sign. The numerator and everything here the denominator. Numerator and everything here the denominator. Let's express them out first. So the expression above now can be written as your sin theta, okay, divided by sin theta minus cos theta, okay, all over sin theta. This, the whole of this is for this. Plus, let's bring our major plus sign here, which is this cos theta, okay, divided by, okay, everything in here, which is cos theta minus sin theta all over cos theta. Alright. At this point, if I decide to change this and this to multiplication sign, what will happen? This will go up, which is the denominator, and the numerator will come down. Same thing will happen here. So let's go ahead and do that. So this will now imply that sin theta, okay, times this will go up, like I said, sin theta all over sin theta, which is the numerator, minus cos theta, okay, plus this major plus here. This will also go up, while this will come down. So we have here cos theta, okay, times, here we go to give us cos theta, all right, all over cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, don't mind me, I'm using a mini board, okay, so just bear with me. Now you discover that from the first expression, sine theta will give us sine square theta, while cos theta will give us cos square theta. So from here, let's go back. So before we continue again, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, and when you subscribe, turn on the bell notification button, okay, so that you get notified whenever we drop new videos. You'll be among the first to receive our new updates. Let's go back to the board again. So from this part now, this will times this to give us here sine square theta all over, here we have here sine theta minus cos theta plus, or major plus here will give us cos square theta all over, here we're going to have here cos theta minus sine theta. All right, so let's look at this carefully. Here we are having sine square theta and cos square theta. If you check the denominator, you discover that we are having sine theta minus cos theta. On this other side, we're having cos theta minus sine theta. So I want to deal with this minus sign, okay? So if I want to deal with this minus, I want to bring it out here. So if I do that, this expression here will also be written as sine theta, sine square theta, all over sine theta minus cos theta, okay, plus my cos square theta all over minus bracket. Okay, so if I have here now, if I put this guy in here now, so we're going to have here sine theta minus cos theta. Wow, you get that? This expression and this expression, they are the same. Okay, because if I use this to open this bracket, it's going to give me this, and this sign is going to affect this. So if we go down again, this will give us sine square theta all over sine theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta all over sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, yeah, very beautiful now. Okay, very beautiful now. So if you look at this now, we are having a common denominator. So if we take this common denominator as this, so we're going to have here the common denominator is sine theta minus cos theta. So this into this will give us 1 times the numerator here will give us sine square theta minus this into this will give us 1 times this will give us cos square theta. Okay. Now, if you look at this carefully, we can apply difference of 2 square here. Is that not? Yeah, because here we are having a square, and here we are having a minus. And what does the difference of 2 squares say? It says that if you have something like this, let's continue from here first. It says if you have a minus b all squared, this is equal to bracket a plus b bracket equal a minus b. Okay, so this expression we are having here now is the same thing as this. So we can split it into this format. So if we do that, this will give us, what about this? Okay, so this is going to give us sine theta plus cos theta, close bracket, bracket, sine theta minus cos theta, close bracket, all over the denominator, which is sine theta minus cos theta. You now discover that what we have here now, we're also having it here. So what we do here, this, we cancel that. This and this will leave. So when they cancel, we are now left with sine theta plus cos theta. And this is what we are asked to prove. Okay? So we can now bring back our normal expression, which says, prove that sine theta all over 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta all over 1 minus tan theta equal to sin theta plus cos theta. Proved. Alright, so very simple. Alright, so from this little trigonometrical challenge, if you gain something very good, drop it in the comment section. Okay, if you have learned something wonderful, drop it in the comment section. You can equally give our videos a thumbs up. Okay, you can say thanks Jay for the wonderful job, and also don't forget to share with your friends and loved ones, those that need this knowledge. Okay, now remember, Jakes loves you, and also all of us at OnlineMaths TV love you. Thanks for your time. Thanks for being there. Bye for now.